So when you're using theory of change for the development of organisational strategy or for complex large-scale initiatives, we suggest you include what we refer to as a global theory of change. At Clear Horizon, we use global theory of change to paint a big, loose picture of what needs to happen before we narrow our more programmatic theory of change down to focus on which parts of the bigger picture our specific initiative will contribute to. So we start big and broad and ask ourselves, regardless of who does what, a number of questions. So we ask, what trends and external changes are likely to shape our context over the next 10 years or so? What would success really look like in 10 years? What would have happened for people, place, and planet? What needs to be in place to get to this desired future? And what needs to shift in the system to enable this? We'll show you how to do this in our course.